In a world where interior design often breaks the budget, one can turn to nature for inspiration. Picture this, a stunning centerpiece crafted from pine cones and fresh greenery, offering a cozy feel at minimal cost. Or how about using pressed flowers in homemade frames to brighten your walls? Even simple mason jars filled with pebbles and candlelight can create a serene ambiance. By combining creativity and what nature provides, anyone can transform their living space without spending much. You don't need pricey decor. All you need is a little imagination and the great outdoors.